Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hello.
How you doing?
How you doing, man? What's your name and what's in here, man?
Austin, I'm running 2 X8s on the DDM1.
Okay.
And a 6-quarter.
Oh, that's a 6-quarter box?
Yeah.
What subs again?
2 Sundown Audio X Series 8.
X. 8s, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you have any pictures on your phone of the layout of it at all? I know that might be an odd question, since I ain't gonna be able to see in the box probably. Nice. I got a few more questions for you. What's your electrical like? Like your alternator battery?
Stock, I got a red top right there and a red top under the hood.
Okay. Did you build the box?
I did.
Nice work. Is your amp at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay. And your tuning's on it? 2652 hertz. Very nice. Sony head unit. Did you do any SPL tests on it?
I did. Well, not on this box now.
No. Okay.
Trying to find a picture of this.
What vehicle is this?
2013
Nissan Altima. All right. There we go. Perfect. All right. So that's how it looks. Nice work. It's a good layout. What's the cubic space there? Is it like 2 to 1, or is there a ratio on it, or is it just 1 to 1? If you know what I mean by that.
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay.
I know total it's 4.8.
Okay.
I think. Something like that.
That looks good, man. Thank you for showing me. Yeah, that'd be good to have that hand when you do demos. That way you can show people how it looks. Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man. Can we see the back? I misclicked earlier. The box don't look that big from the front, but when you look back here, it looks really big. Yeah. So show me kind of a variation where the subs are and the port and all. I saw the picture. Okay, so subs facing this way, sub 2/8, and then the 6th order port, dual port. Nice job, man. Looks good. Have you tried adjusting your box location at all, or is this just optimal right here?
That's the only.
Yeah.
I just threw it together, threw it in here.
Cool, man. Yeah, because part of the port's blocked, but it definitely tuned low.
Yeah.
Did a good job, man. Thanks for showing me, man. Looks good. Nice. Be sure to give him a like. Great bass demo. 2 8-inch subwoofer 6th order box.
No, you're fine. They're just picking on me. It's a little bit of a mess.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. That sounds really good, man. I appreciate the demo. It plays down to low 20 hertz really well. So what was that song? Lose My Mind, 23 to 55. Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Austin.
Austin? Awesome. Everybody give Austin a like. I misclicked earlier. Be sure to give him a like. Great bass demo. 2 8-inch subwoofer 6th order box. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.